In this video, I'm going to show you how you can determine the order of entry in Excel. Now, we have some parts here, and we have their barcode, and we have the company. Now, sometimes it's important that you can determine when you receive these products from companies. And so now this doesn't always have to be in one day. This could be over a week or whatever, but this will determine when you receive them. So let's pretend that we're scanning in here, and we're going to scan in. Let's scan in 3333 for the power supply, and so it's going to be first. And so now let's go scan in 888 for the CPU, and it's second. And let's go scan in how about 5151 for the keyboard and mouse. So it automatically shows you what order they've been received in. So now let's show you the code that I've done this with. So I call this this program findit, and the barcode is a string, range is a range, row number as long, lastrow as long, count and high as long. So I've determined the last row by going to the bottom and counting up. Barcode is whatever is in the cell here. And if it's not blank, then it's going to search in the B column for the barcode that we have entered. So it's going to go down this list. And then if range is not found, then barcode is not found. Else the row number is range row. Now, if what we're doing here, if the worksheet function, so if count A, we're doing A3 to A last row, so from A3 and the last row that's found, if it's blank, then the number it's going to put in here is automatically going to be 1, so count equals 1. Else, so if it's not blank, what it's doing is it's finding, we're using both the worksheet function count A to see if there's anything in the cells here, or we're using the worksheet function max. So it's finding the max value of all the values in here to here, and then what it's doing is it's changing count to we're calling this value high for the highest number we've got in there, and then we're adding 1 to it, so that that will be the new count. And so then we're saying ActiveSheet.Cells row number, which we've determined by the location of the barcode. The value equals whatever count is. Now then we go end if, and then ActiveSheet.Cells 11 is blank, and then it goes ActiveSheet.Cells 11 select, so that we're always back to where we're scanning in the barcode. I will, of course, include this code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.